To subtract polynomial is to add its inverse. So you have to switch the signs of the polynomial being subtracted, or the subtrahend. Let us see in this example. The original problem is like this: 5x squared minus 9x plus 11 minus negative 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. Before you proceed in solving them, this second polynomial, or the subtrahend, must be multiplied with the negative sign here, or the minus sign. So it's like the sign will just be the inverse. This negative 2 became positive 2, this one. And then positive 3 became negative 3. And negative 2 here became positive. So all the signs of the second polynomial, or the subtrahend, change to its inverse. Because when we multiply negative to another negative, you will get a positive answer. Negative times positive, you will get a negative answer. And negative times negative, you will have a positive answer. So you have to rewrite the problem first before you proceed in adding them. That's how we subtract polynomial. Let us have an example. For example, we have 4x plus 6 minus 2x minus 7. So the subtrahend here is 2x minus 7. Before we solve, let us rewrite this problem first. Copy the first polynomial, 4x minus 6, and then multiply this minus sign, or negative sign, to each term inside this parenthesis. So negative times positive, you will have negative 2x. And then negative times negative 7, you will have positive 7. Or in short, just change the sign of each term inside this parenthesis. So the positive 2x became negative, negative 7 became positive. Then proceed with combining like terms. 4x here can be combined with negative 2x since both of them have the variable x. 4x plus negative 2x, you will have positive 2x. And then positive 6 can be combined with positive 7. You will have positive 13. So that's it. That will be the answer. In solving them vertically, you will do the same process. Copy the first polynomial, 4x plus 6. Then before you proceed, you have to change the sign of each term inside this parenthesis. So positive 2x will become negative 2x, and negative 7 will become positive 7. Then proceed in adding them. Combine positive 4x and negative 2x, you will have 2x. And then positive 6 and positive 7, you will have positive 13. So the same answer with this one. Let us now proceed with the second example. So we have negative 2 plus x squared plus 2x cubed minus 3x minus 7x squared plus 3x minus 5 minus 6x cubed. So the first step, copy the first polynomial. So we have this polynomial. And then you have to change the sign of each term inside this parenthesis, or change the sign of the subtrahend. So let us start with 7x squared. 7x squared is positive. It will become negative 7x squared. Positive 3x will become negative 3x. Negative 5 will become positive 5. And negative 6x cubed will become positive 6x cubed. Now we may proceed in combining like terms. And please take note that when you combine like terms, we will start with the term with the highest exponent, because we have to write our answer in standard form. So we'll start with the highest exponent. Highest exponent here is 3. So 2x cubed and 6x cubed can be combined with each other. They are both positive, so that will be 6 plus 2 will have 8, and copy x cubed. Then, after x cubed, we have here x squared. We can combine positive x squared with negative 7x squared, and you will have negative 6x squared. Then, For the term with a variable x, we have here negative 3x and another negative 3x here. We may combine these two. Both are negative, so you have to add the number and copy the sign. 3 plus 3 will give us 6 and copy the negative sign. So we have negative 6x. And for the constant terms, we have negative 2 and positive 5. Combine these two, you will have positive 3. Since they have different sign, we subtracted them and copied the sign of the larger number. So this one is the answer. Again, this is similar in adding them vertically. Before you start subtracting them, you have to arrange this first in standard form. So let us start with the first polynomial and copy first the term with the highest exponent. So we have here positive 2x cubed. So positive 2x cubed. And then, after that, we have here positive x squared. We may write positive x squared. Then, after that, negative 3x here, and negative 2. Then, align the second polynomial. But please take note, you have to change the sign while you are copying it. So, let's start with 7x squared. 7x squared, positive, it will become negative, and you will write that under x squared because they have the same variable. Then after that, we have positive 3 here. Change the sign. It will become negative 3x and write it under negative 3x. Then constant term, negative 5 will become positive 5. Write it under negative 2. While the last term here, negative 6x cubed. So x cubed, it means it must be under 2x cubed. It's negative, so therefore you will change it into positive. Then combine. You may start from left or from right, it doesn't matter. So let's add first this side. 2 plus 6, you will have 8. Copy x cubed. Then positive x plus negative 7, so they have different sign. You have to subtract, and you will get negative 6x squared because x squared has the coefficient of 1 that we do not see. And then negative 3x plus negative 3x, both of them are negative. You have to add them. So you'll have negative 6x. And negative 2 plus 5, different sign. So you have to subtract. You'll get positive 3. So the answer is similar to this one.